Congratulations at the norms for a job well done. I'm sure DepEd will miss your dedicated service. You have served the community and now it's time to serve your own self. Enjoy your retirement and take care. Lilil and the children are one with me in congratulating you on your big day. I cannot be with you today because I'm traveling. I'll be going to Singapore and then to India to be one of the facilitators of the World Education Forum, which will be held from July 19 to 23. I'll see you when I come back on July 25. Again, congratulations, and the family is very proud of you. We love you.
Hi Ate Norms! Greetings, wishes, best of luck messages are well said and sent by your loved ones. What more can I say? Well, let me just compare your life to this simple anecdote. Life is composed of golf balls, pebbles, sand, and coffee. What are their connections? In an empty large jar, fill it up with golf balls and you consider it to be full, but then get a box of pebbles, pour them into the jar, shook it lightly, and the pebbles will roll into the open areas between the golf balls. Again, the jar is still full. Next, pour a box of sand into the jar and see how the sand filled up everything else. Lastly, pour 2 cups of coffee into the jar, and of course, it fills the empty space between the sand. Is the jar full? Yes. Ate, I want you to recognize that this jar represents your life. Gold balls are the most important things. God, your family, children, your health, friends, and your favorite passions. Pebbles are the other things that matter, like your job, your career, house, and material things. Sand are the small stuff. How you fill your jar will depend on how you prioritize things in your life. If you put sand first into the jar, definitely there will be no more room for the pebbles or golf balls. The same thing goes for your life. If you spend all your time and energy on small stuff, you will never have room for the things that are important to you. Ate Norms, indeed, you are so blessed to have and choose this time of retiring from all of the small stuff in your life. As you face another chapter of your life, go and pay attention to the things that are critical to your happiness. Spend more time with your children, your apus, have your grand vacation in USA. Also pay attention to your health. Enjoy life without guilt of responsibility now. Starting tomorrow, you will have the time to take care of your golf balls first. I know you will have this fear of uncertainty, but don't worry, Ate. Just remember, if everything else was lost and only the gold balls remained, your life would still be full. Ate, look around you now. You are so lucky to have them, your children, family, friends, and colleagues. They are your golf balls, the jewels of your life, who will continue to support and fill up the empty space of your life. Consider it a great blessing from Him. Well, to end, I almost forgot. How about the coffee? What does it represent? Well, Ate, don't forget, no matter how full your life may seem, do make sure to always have a room for a couple cups of coffee with me, Johnny, and my children. For you have been and always be the woman of unwavering faith and pillar to our family. Thank you for your love and care. And we will look forward to have or to share this coffee with you soon. We love you. God bless.